Welcome to In a Minute Tutorials. Here we are going to look at intent in a minute. So this is going to be fast, but I'll be explaining each and everything. So basically, what are intents? So when a user says something or a bot says something, there is always an intention behind it. And also when we are speaking to each other, there's always intention while speaking. Like let's say we are asking a friend that what is your name, so what's the intention? We are asking them name, this is the intention, and we always keep our intention as the intent name. And let me take one more example which is not from this whole list. So let's say the bot says, sorry for the inconvenience, would you like to talk with the human representative or human agent or something like that? So at that moment, the bot's intention is it's apologizing to users and saying them that would you like to talk with a human agent. So here, this happens when bot is not able to answer most of the questions. So this is how the intent works, and you have to provide large amount of training data. Like what I would do is I will keep 10 to 20 training data so that it could understand what is the meaning behind it. Okay, and don't keep the same training data because it will get skipped, of course. And make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Also, if you have any questions, you can add them in comment section below. See ya.